Are you a new business owner or you've had your business for some time and you would like to know how to market your business without even spending a dime? In this video, I'll be teaching you the tips and tricks of how to market your business without even spending 1 naira. If you would like to learn more about business and entrepreneurship, kindly hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on your notification button. So let's dive into the business of today. So how do you market your business without having to spend a dime? First off, social media. I know you've heard of social media, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and the likes. Well, you can actually market your business on social media. Certain platforms go with certain target audiences. You can't just be on all platforms and reach all target audience at once. For example, baby bloomers and Gen X, which are 55 to 80 years old, tend to use more of Facebook, WhatsApp, YouTube, thereabouts. People within the ages of 28, 27 to 40, 50, thereabouts, which are millennials, tend to use Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and WhatsApp. But for the younger generation, which are between 25 to like 14, you want to look at Snapchat, TikTok, Instagram probably. Secondly, you want to create an email list. So email marketing is one of the most lucrative ways of following up with your customers and selling to them. With stories, good content, valuable content, you tend to reach and connect with your customers. I know you might say, oh, I don't even check my mails, but people actually do. Aside email marketing, you could also create a broadcast list. On your WhatsApp, you can create a broadcast list. Now, go through your contacts and select people who you think might want to buy from you. Create a list of them, add them to a broadcast list, and send out messages weekly or monthly, selling your products or even just educating them about something that has to do with your business. With these two ways, you can relate and connect with your audience and get to even sell without spending 1 naira. Okay guys, so what social media do you use for your business? Let us know in the comment section. Thirdly, content marketing. For example, I want you to take a look at this. Look at this picture and look at this picture. Now, which of these two products would you most likely buy? For me, I would most likely buy this one because it really shows me how this picture relates to me. It gives me a clear description of what this product is and how I'll probably rock it on a Sunday. Yes. So content marketing is very important for your business. If you sell a product, you have to show very clear and good quality pictures, videos, and other forms of content of your products. You don't have to pay so much or even do any ads. By taking your phone with proper lighting and doing a video or a picture of your product and posting it online, it could make anyone attracted to your product and simply buy from you. This doesn't only refer to pictures and videos. Also, your captions, your content writing, your copywriting, your descriptions. You have to write clear and concise descriptions of your product so that your target audience would know much about your products before buying. I mean, if you want to buy something from someone online, wouldn't you want to know a lot about that product before actually buying from them? Pro tip: content is king, but video content is really ruling the game now. So if you want people to be more attracted to your product, your business, whatever you do, it's always best you actually put out more of video content than any other form of content. So number 4, we have search engine optimization. You probably will be wondering, but I don't have a site and it costs like a lot to build one. Well, say no more because you can actually build a website for free. Okay, so even without even creating a website, you can have your business on Google. There's something called Google My Business. Google My Business is a free Google tool where you can register your business on Google, and you can actually be found on Google. And when someone searches for you, they get to see the basic information of your business. They can contact you with a phone call, they can get a location using a map, and other tools there that are available for people to see what you do and actually reach across to you. And the best part of this is that it costs you absolutely nothing. Okay, so we've come to the last one, which is number 5, which is networking. Now, I believe that if you believe that your product is a very good product, you should not be shy telling people about it. It's something called word of mouth. This is the way you talk to people, you tell your neighbors, you tell people you meet around, you go for events and talk to people about what you do. In this way, people actually get to meet you, they actually get to buy into your business, buy into you as a person, and you collect their contact from there, and you're able to remind them about your business, you're able to tell them more, and then they end up buying from you. Networking is a very big part of being a business owner and an entrepreneur. 3 ways which you can network and share your business. Number 1, attending events. Go out, go to events, share your card, share your flyers, or even talk to the people organizing the event to give you a spot to talk about your business. Number 2, word of mouth. Like I said earlier, reach out to people, talk to them. Don't be so shy about letting people know the good news about your business. Number 3, reaching out to communities. These communities could be online, offline. So if you have a friend or someone that has a large followership on their social media, or have a community of people on their Telegram, WhatsApp, Instagram, you could reach out to them and ask them to share your flyer or give you a spot to talk to people about your business. So speaking of communities, if you would like to be a part of our community where you get to learn about business, entrepreneurship, share your business, share your struggles with people like you, kindly click on the link below. Join our Facebook community, our Telegram community, and you can follow us on our social media platforms where we get to share tips and tricks on business and entrepreneurship.